Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 Acura RL SH. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3.7 V6 pushing out 300 horsepower. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A gray leather interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our Acura RL SH all-wheel drive badging. Open up the tailgate, got a clean set of floor mats. Coming up front, we have a keyless entry, memory seats, power windows, power seats. Steering wheel controls. This one also does have a wood and leather steering wheel. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Keyless go. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Hard keys for a media display. Heated and cooled seats. Automatic transmission. If you'd like to view more photos of this Acura, check out feldmanimports.com.